2, 1.
You shuffling?
Just jogging.
We got one over here.
One running back, one running back. You guys think we should break contact?
Yeah, go, 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 go. Break contact, break contact.
Right or left?
Straight back, straight back.
All right, moving.
Go, go, you go, you go. Go, go, you.
You got it.
Keep going, keep going. Yeah, that right side, it closes that sector for you so we can get up on the building. Go, go.
Punch it up.
Let's go. Come on, get up. Clear.
Watch the tree line.
Ready?
Yep. 2, 3.
All right, we gotta break contact. Go, 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 go.
It looks green to me. You light them up? Light them up.
Yep.
Hey, check this side. Get up.
Here comes a fuck ton more.
Nathan, move right.
You ready? Let's go.
Oh, did you already get it?
Clear. Come on. I hit the bell, you're dead! Yeah, it's friendly. You ready?
Yeah, let's not trust him.
Hey, downstairs!
Hey, whoa, hey!
Sinking. Yeah. They're done. Let's go in sand site.
Oh. Okay, right here.
I'm sorry about that. I was shooting through like all this shit.
Ow! Good shot.
Appreciate it. Ready? Go. Come on. Hey. Can we go under the bridge?
Nope.
We can run up to Red Connex and hop in the window.
Let's just do it. What do we got to lose?
Like climb into it?
Yeah.
Yeah, what do we got to lose?
We're going to Red Connex. I'll go first. Hold my gun.
Take the watch outside. Say it again, last.
Oh, Green's in CIA. Green's in CIA.
Where is it?
What the fuck?